Guys, look at those trees here. Aren't they nice? I think they should be old. They must be old, these trees. They really provide with some good shade there. And also the lawn down there. The lawn underneath those trees, guys, is just amazing. Wow. Let me show you what I mean. Look at that. Actually, the sea is just over there, as you can see. Just over the street. That's where the ocean is. Wow. And just in front of me is Salmon Grove. The street that crosses is called Salmon Grove. And the one that I'm just walking right now is called Margaret's. Margaret Ingati streets. And I can see a lot of police vans around here. I think the police station must be somewhere not far away from here. I'm not so sure where, because they're just parked there. I'm just curious, who enters there? I want to know, are they only the people who comes to ride some who comes to ride their boats or what? I'm gonna just find out now. Okay, I'm just gonna find out what really happens here. Can I enter there, or it's only for the owners of those boats in there? I'm just gonna try to find out. Can I walk past through here? Let me find out. Point where? Control point 1. Eta. So nobody asked me anything, and I just passed here, and you can see this area. What's the name of this area here? Wilson's Wharf. That's going there. Port Center, Maritime Museum, and all that stuff. You can see some boats from here. It's just a walk, guys. By order, port captain, no wash, no work, minimum speed. You can see the beautiful boats here. So anyway, we are going to be just taking a stroll alongside the beach. You can see the building from this other side here, guys. It is really a beautiful sight. A beautiful sight as it is. I don't know if this road here will continue alongside the beach. I hope so, guys. Look at these buildings from my left. That is Durban for you. It really is a beautiful city, guys. It's just unfortunate enough, some of areas right here in Durban are not looking nice. Guys, this video here that I'm doing right now is not for those who love watching people, but it's just a video to those who love just seeing the sights and enjoy the quietness. So this is what I'm gonna do. I'm just walking along the beach. The beach is just right there, and we're just gonna go straight up there because I've got some subscribers on this channel who loves this kind of videos whereby it's only nature. Look here. Now I understand. Yeah, I understand about this because I don't understand why. I can't say what I've just observed there. Let me just be quiet. Let's just continue, guys. Let me know in the comment down below if you love these kind of videos, the ones who enjoy just walking like this, just walking alongside the beach. That's what we are doing right now. And I actually love these trees here. Is that the palm trees? They're actually not indigenous. I think these are indigenous trees that you do find here in Durban. I don't think they are indigenous. These are palm trees, right? Correct me if I'm wrong, guys. You can see they're everywhere along this pathway here, this street, all the way. Let me show you. All the way there, it's all them. This is one of the things that attracted me to come in here and do this video that I'm doing right now. And I won't be able to get out maybe until somewhere where people will be taking some swimming and all that. So this is how Durban looks like. I don't know if you've taken a ride using your bike here, or just walking, or just running. There are so many people who like just doing that. They like exercising here early in the morning and in the evening, even in the afternoons. You can see the ocean there, the boats. When you look this side, you can see the buildings, beautiful buildings, oceanside buildings, the hotels. Most of them, they are hotels. Makes it easier if you are somewhere around here. Can you hear the wind? I mean, can you hear that wind? It's blowing. You can see the movement of these branches of that tree there. So this one is pine, right? It must be a pine tree. Look at it. Amazing. Now I don't know about these guys that I'm gonna meet here. Are they genuine or they're not? Let's find out. Now there are some areas like these ones, because when you're just walking, and there might be those who doesn't have good intentions, you know. But anyway, we're not here for that. So the thing is, I just want us to take a walk along this street here, you know, just near the ocean. From where I started, I think you guys have seen it. Oh, I think sometimes this kind of areas here, it looks like people could come and fish here. That's for sure, eh? But I don't know. This is the Durban for you guys, and it looks like it looks like this. Those are the ships there. They're just docking. It is just amazing to be walking here. Look at those buildings. Still some workers who are just doing their job. It's amazing. So it's places like this you've got to be very careful when you're walking, because those ones will take chances. Usually will take a chance in around this kind of areas here, because they're very quiet. When I'm saying this, it's because of these guys that is just in front of me now. But I'm not saying anything bad about them, but this, you need just to be vigilant. No, I think they're just coming to have fun, but then still you must be vigilant. It's just a walk along these streets here, guys. No people, few people, but just to enjoy the walk alongside the beach. This is the reason why I did this video, guys. I hope you understand. And if you are one of those who loves this kind of videos, please subscribe, because in many times I'll be also doing these videos in different places, so you can enjoy, guys. Let's enjoy together. This is where you find the museum. This is a museum, Port Natal Maritime Museum over this side, because you can see these old ships. It's a museum. I don't know how much you pay to enter there, but I'm just not interested. You see this helicopter there? It's not working. It's just for display, I think. Wow, look at that building over this side. What an architect. No entry now. It's just things before then, not anymore. There is even police here. I think I should be going this way, I think. Crossing these streets, otherwise sometimes I don't know if I can make it over to this other side to pass through. Looks like it's closed. Well, I'm still doing fine. I'm still going. I don't think this area we are allowed to be coming here. But we just still gonna keep on going. There's nice ships there that are docking by. Very nice company. I mean, they're companies, right? Look at that old ship. Inyala Durban. It's written that. And that one also there, the American highway. Wow, it's so big. It's huge. Wow, look at that, guys. So huge. Wow. So many ships around here. don't know if I'm gonna be able to find a place where he's gonna be taking me out. I'm just now starting to wonder. Hello, Sanbona. How's it? Hello, Ninja. All right. Angas, can I find a way that takes me this side of the beach? Can I find a way here that takes me other side?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think you can go this way. Where you want to go?
Just carry on going by the beach.
To the beach?
Yeah.
No, I think you need to exit here.
Where? I must go back.
Yeah, you must go back. There's a tunnel.
Yeah.
Here there are tunnels done with the white painting.
White painting.
Yeah.
There are tunnels there.
Yeah, there's a tunnel here. When you go this way.
Okay.
Take you to the road here.
Oh.
Yeah, just enter the tunnel, go underneath, and then exit on the other side.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay.
Then you can go straight.
Thanks, man.
Okay, thank you.
I appreciate it. So I think you're gonna be finishing our vlog right here, guys, of today. I'm someone who's lost, but I've got to find a way out of this. So guys, subscribe to the channel. I love you to bits.